Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to run threat simulator scenarios in Microsoft Defender for Endpoint Evaluation Lab. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Alright, I am logged on to the portal, and to initiate the threat simulator scenarios, and if you choose to install any of the supported threat simulators during the lab setup, you can run the built-in simulations on the evaluation lab devices like I'll do now. So we were connected to this test VM that I added in my evaluation lab. So running threat simulations using third-party platforms is a good way to evaluate Microsoft Defender for Endpoint capabilities within the confines of a lab environment. Before you run simulations, please make sure that your devices must be added to the evaluation lab. Threat simulators must be installed in the evaluation lab. So I'll go back to the portal. In the portal, I'll click on create simulation. So if you click on simulations here, there is no data option. I'll click on create simulation. It is asking me choose. I'll choose all, select simulation. Now we'll choose a simulation to look through the simulation gallery to browse through the available simulations. So persistent methods, defensive evasion techniques, APT29, credential theft, OS configuration changes, code execution, known ransomware infection, Carbonac, and Solorigate. This is the catalog. Now we'll have to select the device on which we will run this, and then you can execute it. So let's say I will click on code execution. Okay, I'll choose a device. I have only one device. I'll click on create simulation. See, now this code execution save breach test machine status is running, today's date and time, executed by my ID, because this is my lab. Now after running the simulations, it is advised to all of you to walk through the lab progress bar and explore Microsoft Defender for Endpoint triggered and automated investigation and remediation. So now if you click on reports, and if you click on the overview, one simulation executed, it says created. Now if you can visit the simulations gallery from here as well, and this is the list of tutorials, document drops. So this is the walkthroughs documented. So I am doing code execution. We'll do all these simulations. PowerShell script in fileless attack. So what I have done is it is executed. So if I go onto my VM, on my VM I'll see. So now I have seen on the portal the Microsoft Defender for Endpoint triggered and on the running the simulations. Now when this is completed, you click on edit, install. Now when this is completed, you can go through the suggestions to run all those simulations and other simulations again. And after the simulation is done, we'll be able to see incidents that were created, alerts, assessments on the exposure level, threat categories, observed detection sources, and automated investigations. So if you go here on the evaluation lab and you want to review incidents, there are none now, but if I'll run more incidents, I'll be able to do. Okay, now if I want to demonstrate the scenarios, I can do. There are some scenarios wherein I can do app reputation demonstration, attack surface reductions, rules demonstrations, block at first site demonstration. many features that we can. So I hope this video was informative for all of you guys. If you have any other queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video.